intent of this project is to localize this bot on this Cartesian coordinate system. So we need to develop some sort of algorithms which will help the bot to localize on this plane. So the first one, the algorithm we implemented is the coordic algorithm, which helps the bot to detect what angles to turn in order to follow the trajectory. And the other algorithm that we implemented is the Kalman filter. So Kalman filter helps this particular bot to remove the sensor noise. So currently the bot is on 0,0. Now it needs to turn 45 degree. It is trying to reach to 50,50 target coordinate. It will halt there for a few seconds, then it will turn. It is trying to reach the next target coordinate. And then it will turn. Now the next target coordinate is 115,80. Yeah. Now it will again turn to the next target coordinate. And yeah, the run is completed. You will get to learn something, get your hands dirty in the electronics thing.
Normally we don't get a bunch of people who will be working on innovative projects, innovative hardwares and all. Here we can get that opportunity to get hands-on experience on a much costlier hardware which we cannot access in our colleges. During the internship, there are multiple sessions that eYantra organizes with the faculties. For example, one of the sessions was with the semiconductor manufacturing lab here in IIT Bombay, in the electrical department. On one day we were visiting those labs. Professors were guiding us how we can apply these logics that we are writing in FPGAs on a large scale, like designing chips and all. So it was really fun to know, like, we're building a bot, but we can also design a higher level steps by using the same logic. The professors give you a deeper knowledge about those topics.
So I personally meet Professor Arpita Sinha, which works in Systems and Control department. I discussed with her. She is willing to do a project with me just because I was doing eYSIP internship here. It gives me a better opportunity to work on a different department in IIT Bombay itself. Kalman filter is basically used for state estimation. So the reinforcement learning, the problem itself solves the next step of the state estimation problem, which is when a particular robot is in a particular state, how will it choose its action? So there is a policy and all. That workshop gives me a better perspective on what to do next. The industry professional came here and teaches how to use the Copilot. That particular day I built my portfolio website using GitHub Copilot without knowing anything in the web development domain.
On the weekends it was like a stress reliever for us. We were working on projects like games, designing our own website in just 5 to 10 minutes. It was not requiring a deeper knowledge about those topics, but with just the AI tools and all, we can get a much more wider view about those topics. So it was fun to attend those workshops.
I would like to relate this experience with that Newton's apple incident. Newton significantly converted that complete physical phenomenon into a mathematical equation thing. This internship taught me how to convert a physical scenario into some bunch of mathematical equations in which you can deal with, you can do something, you can calculate something. It is a real fun. Before this, I used to afraid with the mathematical equations. I used to encounter mathematical equations in my exams. During this project, I was myself developing the equations which are in your physical world. You will just observe those equations and write them on the paper. Kalman filter is one of the topics that students used to do in their M.Tech research thing, PhD thing. I just talked to my mentor, can I do this? He directly gifted me 2 to 3 research papers. You read this Alex Becker book. I read 12 chapters of that Alex Becker book in order to just understand what Kalman filter really is. I am just a second year student. I am reading a M.Tech level book. I discussed with mentor how to implement this. Learning from faculties, learning from peers, and then doing everything hands-on by yourself, and then again thinking why it is not working, and then again working with your peers and faculty. This is the culture that I would like to share, and you should work hard in order to get this particular opportunity.
You will be meeting friends, they will be working on a completely different stack of softwares and different skills that you require. It gives you a much more wider view about your topics. Like, you'll be working on a single project, but you can solve the same problem by different methods. I'll highly recommend you to come here, join eYantra summer internship program. It will be fun, definitely fun for you guys.